Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert double bracket in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert double bracket. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Then going to the shape option. Now select from a double bracket. Now draw a double bracket. Now going to the shape fill option, then NSS color. Now click for shape outline. Now click for widget option, then click for a 6pt. That is. Now you can see insert double bracket in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for